Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sarayas. I will continue my video lesson for grade O1 chemistry and I was solving worksheets which will help them to do better in the final exam 2023. So here's the question number 1, part A. How many He atoms are in 0.5 moles of He? Remember this formula? What you have to do is simply have to multiply number of moles by Avogadro number. So number of moles are provided to you. So 0.5 will be multiplied by 6 into 10 to the power 23. Answer will be 0.5 multiplied by 6 into 10 to the power 23. 3 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of He. B. Calculate the number of moles of methane in 48 gram of methane CH4. Remember the formula? If you want to calculate the number of moles from given mass. So what you will do, you will divide the mass by AR or MR. So mass is provided 48. MR of CH4 is for carbon, AR is 12, hydrogen, it's 1. So we have 4 atoms of hydrogen. We'll multiply 4 by 1, we'll get 4. 12 plus 4, we will get 16. So 48 divided by 16. The answer will be 3 moles of CH4. C. Calculate the molar mass of the following compound. So here's the formula of the compound. You need to calculate the molar mass of this compound. First of all, write down the molecular formula of this compound. Count the number of carbon atoms. We have 2 carbon atoms, so we will write C2 here. Count the number of hydrogen atoms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. AR of carbon is 12. We have 2 atoms of carbon, so we will multiply 2 by 12. We will get 24. Hydrogen, we know that AR of hydrogen is 1 and there are 6 hydrogen atoms, so we will multiply 6 by 1. We will get 6 as the answer. What about oxygen? We have only 1 atom of oxygen. AR of oxygen is 16, so we will multiply 1 by 16, we will get 16. So 24 plus 6 plus 16, 46. So answer will be 46. D. Consider the reaction between magnesium and hydrochloric acid. This is the reaction between magnesium and hydrochloric acid. This is a symbol for magnesium, Mg. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Magnesium chloride is the product. The formula is MgCl2. And the other product is hydrogen gas, H2. Number 1, balance the above reaction. Use it for further calculations. So I'm writing the equation here. Mg plus HCl gives Mg Cl2 plus H2. For your convenience, draw or make a column on right hand side of the paper for reactants and products. And write the symbol for each element. We have magnesium here, we have hydrogen here, we have chlorine. Now count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. We have 1 atom of magnesium on both sides, so I write 1. What about hydrogen? 1 on reactant side, on the product side 2. Chlorine, it is 1 on reactant side, on the product side it's 2. So both hydrogen and chlorine are unbalanced. So what if we will put 2 before HCl? Now both hydrogen and chlorine become balanced. Now this equation will be used for further calculation. Number 2, Calculate the mass of magnesium chloride produced when 73 grams of hydrochloric acid is reacted. Now they are asking about the mass of magnesium chloride from 73 grams of hydrochloric acid. So I will write the reactant here, 2HCl, and the product only MgCl2. You see, I'm not writing the formula for other reactant and other product here, as I'm not concerned. Only mass of hydrochloric acid is provided. So I'm writing the formula of hydrochloric acid, and they are asking me to calculate the mass of magnesium chloride. So I'm writing magnesium chloride on the product side. So first of all, I will calculate the masses of these two. For HCl, hydrogen, we know that the AR of hydrogen is 1, and chlorine, it's 35.5. So if you will add these, you will get 36.5. If you see here, it's written 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. So you need to multiply 36.5 by 2. 36.5 multiplied by 2. We will get 73 grams. We have 73 grams of hydrochloric acid producing. Now let's calculate the mass of magnesium chloride. AR of magnesium is 24. Chlorine is 35.5, but there are 2 atoms of chlorine. So I will multiply 35.5 by 2. I will get 71. Add 71 to 24, what you will get? You will get 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 2, 9. 95. I will write 95 grams. Now, so 73 grams gives 95 grams of MgCl2. Therefore, 73 grams, again, it's written in the question, produces X gram of MgCl2. Answer will be same because already given here. So the answer will be 95 grams. This will be your final answer. Number 3, convert the mass obtained into moles. Now we need to convert this mass into moles. For this reason, I need to find the MR of MgCl2. MR of MgCl2, I have already calculated. It's 95. MgCl2, it's 95. So 95 divided by 95 gives 1 mole, which is the final answer. E, state the formula of cobalt-2 chloride. The valency of cobalt is given. This is a symbol for cobalt. The valency is +2, so I will write +2 here. Chlorine. Chlorine belongs to group 7. The valency of chlorine is -1. Ignore their charges. So we'll have 2 and 1. Remember, these are subscripts. Now these subscripts will be exchanged. So you'll get COCl2 as your final answer. Part F. Compound X contains 40% carbon, 6.6% hydrogen, and 53.3% oxygen. Deduce the empirical formula of this compound. Now use this data. We have C, H, and O. Now I'm writing their percentage. Carbon 40, AR of carbon is 12, so I'm writing 12 here. Hydrogen 6.6, AR of hydrogen is 1, so I will write 1 here. Oxygen 53.3%, AR of oxygen is 16, so I'll write 16 here. 40 divided by 12, we will get 3.333. For hydrogen, we'll get 6.6. Oxygen 53.3 divided by 16, you get 3.331. 3.331 is the smallest number here, so we will divide all these by 3.331. So what we will get? For C, we'll get 1. For hydrogen, we'll get 6.6 divided by 3.331. 1.98, which becomes equal to 2. For oxygen, we'll get 1. So empirical formula will be CH2O. In next part, they are saying the relative molecular mass of this compound is 180. Deduce the molecular formula of this compound. You need to calculate the value of N, which is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical mass. Empirical formula is provided to you. This is empirical formula. So the mass of CH2O will be empirical mass. Empirical mass for CH2O will be 12 plus 2 plus 16. What we will get? We'll get 30. So N is equal to 180 divided by 30. What we will get? We'll get 6. Now I will multiply the empirical formula by the number 6. So the molecular formula will be C6H12O6. This will be the final answer. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. Give comments for more videos. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.